أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ستجدون آخرين يريدون أن يامنوكم ويامنوا قومهم كلما ردوا إلى الفتنة أركسوا فيها فإن لم يعتزلوكم ويلقوا إليكم السلام ويكفوا أيديهم فخذوهم واقتلوهم حيث ثقفتموهم وَأُولَئِكُمْ جَعَلْنَا لَكُمْ عَلَيْهِمْ سُلْطَانًا مُبِينًا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah An-Nisa, Ayat number 91. In this ayat, Allah tells us about some type of munafiqeen, and these munafiqeen, they were different type of people. So mostly they came from Makkah and they were coming to Medina and then going back to Makkah, and they were having like this type of like transportation or business visit and some type of cooperation and coordination that was because of business transaction. And these people, they were not right people, they were munafiqeen. When they were coming in Medina, they were just to say to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and to the people of Medina that we are Muslim, and they were just join the Muslim in prayer. They were just to pray 5 times a day. They do business activities. They do every type of things like the Muslims they do. So they were just to show, they pretend that they were Muslim. But when they were going back to Makkah, so they were joining with the Quraysh people, Kuffar people, Mushrikeen, to worship the idols, the statues, those were in Makkah. So they were worshipping those one also. So this way, these people, they were trying to get the personal benefits, the worldly benefits from dual way, like both sides. So this was the situation of these people. And even when they were in Makkah, and when the Kuffar people, they were just to make some type of plan to attack Muslims, and they were just to help them financially, morally, every way. So this way Allah said in this ayat, we will see inshallah, that if these people, they are just to continue that type of thing, they are not to turn away from that, and they are not to rectify themselves, to bring them towards Islam completely and fully, so then you should not be having a good relationship with them. You understand them like they are munafiqeen, and for them there is punishment, even punishment of sentence to death, the killing to them. So we will read this in this ayat, we will understand more better inshallah. So Allah said, Satajiduna akharina. Satajiduna. You will find akharina, other people. Yuriduna, who intend to stay. An yamanukum, who intend to stay safe from you. Wa yamanu qawmahum, and they want to stay secure from their own people also. Kullama ruddu ilal fitnati, but when they are called every time when they are called, they are invited to fitna, urkisu fiha, they jump towards it, they jump into it. فَإِلَّمْ يَعْتَزِلُوكُمْ فَإِلَّمْ يَعْتَزِلُوكُمْ. So if they don't withdraw themselves from that, وَيُلْقُوا إِلَيْكُمُ السَّلَمَ, and don't offer peace to you, وَيَكُفُّوا أَيْدِيهُمْ, and they are not to restrain their hands, فَخُذُوهُمْ, then you have to arrest them, seize them, وَاقْتُلُوهُمْ, and kill them, حَيْثُ سَقِفْتُمُوهُمْ, wherever you find them. وَأُولَٰئِكُمْ, and these are the people. جَعَلْنَا لَكُمْ, we have given you against them, Sultanam Mubina, the full open authorization. So we read this ayat again. Allah said, Satajiduna akharina yuriduna an yamanukum wa yamanu qawmahum kullama ruddu ilal fitnati urkisu fiha fa illam yatazilukum wa yulku ilaykumus salama wa yakuffu aydihum fakhuzuhum waqtuluhum haythu saqiftumuhum wa ulaikum ja'alna lakum alayhim sultanam mubina. So Allah said, you will find other people who intend to stay safe from you and stay secure from their own people also. Every time when they are invited towards fitna, any type of temptation, they jump into it. So if they don't withdraw themselves from that and don't offer peace to you, or they are not to restrain their hands, then seize them, arrest them, and kill them whenever you find them. And these are the people we have given you the open, full authorization against them. So in this ayat, Allah tells us about these people, because these people, especially who were coming from Mecca to Medina, and when they were going to Muslims of Medina, and they were just to say, we are Muslim, and they were to pray with them, they were to do all activities like the Muslim they do. But inside they were not Muslim. When they were going back to Mecca, they were just to join the kuffar to worship the idols. So this type of situation they were having. So when the kuffar of Mecca, they were just having any type of intention or plan to attack Muslim, they were requesting the people to just for financial help, and these people, they were just to give them financial help and assistance. And this way Allah said that these are the people, when they come to Medina, they were just having agreement with the Muslims that we are with you, we want peace and prosperity, and we want peace for you also, we will help you in the peace processes every time. But when they were going back to Mecca, they were forgetting all type of treaties, all types of covenants or agreements which they have done with the Muslims. And they were just to join the kuffar against the Muslims. This was their situation. Actually, the main purpose of these people, that was personal benefit, like worldly benefits. So they were just to get personal benefits, worldly benefits from both sides. But these people, in fact, they were having partial behavior, because when the kuffar of Makkah, they were just to plan against Islam, they were just to help them. Even they have done the peace treaties with the Muslims of Medina, but they were ignoring that one also that time. This way, they were in fact, they were hidden enemies of the Muslims. Apparently, they were peacekeepers, but inside they were the biggest enemies of Muslim, the biggest dangerous enemies for the Muslims. This way Allah knows everything of everyone. This way Allah told Holy Prophet ﷺ about these people, that they are not Muslims, they are munafiqeen, they are hypocrites. So this way you can see the example of those people, like the tribe, like Asad tribe and Gitfan tribe. When the people relating to Gitfan tribe and Asad tribe, when they were coming to Medina, they were just to stay with the Muslims and saying them that we are Muslim like you. And they were having treaties and agreements with the Muslims just for protection and security. And they were saying that we will help you in the process of peace and we will not do anything against you. But when they were going back to their country or back to their city, so they were ignoring everything and they were just to break up all type of treaties and agreements. This way, these people, they were joining the fitna of Quraysh against Muslim. This way Allah commanded that these people, whenever you find, arrest them and kill them. You are allowed. We have given full authorization to you to arrest them, to kill them. Because these people, they are from inside, they are different from outside. So it means they are the worst hypocrites, worst enemies of the Muslims. So this way Allah knows everything. You can see now also many people in the world, on social media, on TV, and in electronic media, paper media, you will find many people, they look like Muslims, but they were just to propagate the culture of kuffar within the Islamic countries. They are trying to eradicate the Islamic values and placing there the kuffar values and culture penetrating in Islamic countries. They are trying their best to getting financial support from kuffar and doing this one. You will see so many people on electronic media, paper media and social media, they are there. And they are working, they are spying Muslims, what the Muslims they do inside. They are spying to kuffar and getting financial assistance and inviting them that they have to use their own impression in their culture, and even with the help of those people with financial and other resources, they are trying to propagate and penetrate the culture of those people in the culture of Islam, just to eradicating the culture of Islam and placing there the culture of kuffar. So these are people, they are trying that one also. But the main purpose behind that is their personal benefits, worldly benefits. They don't want anything else. So this way, these people, they show something and do something else. So inside and outside, they are different. So they look like peaceful, but inside they are traitors. They try to disturb the situation within the country. They want to violate the stability. They bring instability and destruction within the Islamic countries. And they try to tell a lie which look like a truth. They try to break down their promises like agreements or those things in this way that they try to make the people like fool. And so many people you can see, they try to do corruption, and even they are not to leave the proof of that, so that they are so much clever in that. So many types of hypocrites and different types of hypocrites are available to see in our countries, in other countries throughout the world, which are damaging Islam, just dressing the Islam. And these people, they are a danger for Islamic religion. And these people, they are those one, if there is Islamic country where is Islamic rules regulations, then they have to follow the command of Allah to arrest them and to kill them. So this is the situation which Allah told here, that those people at the time of Holy Prophet ﷺ, they were coming in Medina. They were showing they are Muslim, they were praying with the Muslims, they were pretending them, but when they're coming back to their own country, they were showing that they are kuffar like with them also. And when the kuffar, they were planning to attack Islam, and they were just to support them financially. So this type of situation was there. Allah knows everything. This way Allah said that فَخُذُوهُمْ, you have to arrest them, وَقْتُلُوهُمْ, and you have to kill them, حَيْثُ سَقِفْتُمُوهُمْ, wherever you will find them. So you have to kill them. وَأُولَٰئِكُمْ, and for these people, جَعَلْنَا لَكُمْ عَلَيْهِمْ سُلْطَانًا مُبِينًا, and we have given you full open authorization just to do for arrest and killing them. We have given you full authorization, Allah said. So this way, the main thing is that you can see, if you have like, you understand the Muslims, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that Muslims, all the Muslims, they are like one body. You can feel that when any part of the body feeling pain, the whole body feels it. So if, for example, you have seen sometime what happened, you have a cancer, like cancer in your leg or somewhere, they said you have to cut that one, otherwise your life will be in danger. So these people, like these type of people, they are like a cancer for the whole Muslim community. Like you have a cancer, for the cancer you have to cut the part of the body, same like that you have to take these people out of the Islamic society. Otherwise, when they will stay inside, they will propagate this type of cancer to the people and bring the other culture inside and Islamic culture out. So these are the people like hypocrite. That is the main purpose of these people, is personal worldly benefit. And we request Allah to save us from all types of hypocrites and protect our iman and our good deeds. And we should stay with iman, with good deeds, and die with iman, with good deeds. Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.